right, I'm back in one of my favorite places to get yummy things to eat. And they have the best chocolate picante I've had anywhere. That's hot chocolate with chiles. And I'm going to have a crepe con frutas y helado, which is basically a fruit crepe filled with bananas, strawberries, and a scoop of ice cream. It's going to be really good. Oh yeah, chocolate, picante, spicy hot chocolate. It's really good, nice and spicy, and great chocolate too. Yeah, here's the crepe con frutas helado. So yeah, I'm gonna really enjoy this meal. It's going to be great. So I'm gonna scoop up a little bit of ice cream and make a mess. It's really good. Video handling might not be as good, but hey, food is really solid. Very tasty, sweet and chocolatey, nice fruit flavors. You come to Baños de Agua Santa, Ecuador, make sure you check out Aromi. And if you do, tell Elena that Fast Fred sent you. It's a really great place to eat breakfast, get snacks, buy chocolate, or even coffee. Oh, and they have chocolate wine even. Yeah, vino de chocolate. So they got everything for your sweet tooth and maybe some really healthy things too. I might still be in Ecuador, but I'll be home soon for rafting season. And yeah, I'll be back at Akoe Water Sports. So come check me out. We'll have a lot of fun on the river, and it will help me raise some funds for my much needed Elena recovery to rebuild somewhere to live.